and welcome to a new Playmo YT video. I am filming from our car today. I woke up this morning to get ready for work and I found this package on my dresser. We got some late mail and well, this is a Playmobil package. It comes straight from the friends over at Playmobil. Hey, let's go ahead and open this package. Pretty excited about it. I do know that I ordered some parts and I have already forgotten all but one. I know I'm getting like a beer mug, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Okay, well this is not as exciting as I'd hoped. This is what happens when you forget what you ordered. I got 2 beer mugs, which is great. I didn't buy any foam for it. I figured, you know, I didn't need all those parts. So I'm gonna, it's probably really risky for me to pour right here on the dashboard. And it's really hot, as you can see. It is 100 degrees out today, at least according to our my car temperature gauge here. So yeah, 2 of these wooden beer mugs, or what's supposed to resemble wooden beer mugs anyway. And if you look at my Instagram, you'll understand why these are important. If you look at one of my more recent photos for August of 2021, you'll get it. So one thing I had to order was the microscope. There's the base, here's the eyepiece. I'm gonna need both hands to put this on, I think. This is my first time looking at it, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I guess it goes in this way. Oh, and I did it with one hand, look at that. There we go. Is it going any further? Or it has to, because this doesn't look right. Or do I have it upside down? I don't know. You know what? Let me use 2 hands. Okay, there we go. I just couldn't nudge it in far enough with one hand without possibly dropping the piece. And last thing you want to do is lose any of these pieces in your car. So yeah, I got the microscope. I need it for my laboratory. And let's see, I had to get a few of these cuffs, except, oh jeez, hold on, it didn't go far. I got a couple red cuffs because I have some soldiers that are missing some. And funny thing is that I ordered an odd number of cuffs. I do remember that, but I have an even number in front of me. Not okay, because I got 2 soldiers with just 1. And then I have this random brown one. Don't know where that's gonna go. Of course I could just paint it, but that would look silly. And then I ordered a razor because what I'd like to do, my grandfather used to own a barber shop back during World War II in Louisville, Kentucky, and I wanted to kind of build a barber shop sort of in his honor. Oh geez, my nightmare just came true, everybody. No. Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I know you guys are looking at the nastiest car. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I wanted to recreate that, and everything I find is beauty shop related, and of course that's not going to help me, so I decided I was going to collect parts individually, and the razor was my next piece. So that's why I got the razor. And then the last thing, and I still don't have as many as I think I ordered. I think I ordered more than 2 of these phones. I don't have any characters with phones, so I ordered a few. And I think I did order 2. The thing was I didn't want to order all yellow phones, so I only made an order for 2 of them because I was going to order different colors, but they didn't have any colors available, any other colors available anyway. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, that is it for this episode. Really, it's just a really simple video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't blame you if you don't. I gotta find that razor. Hope you guys are all having a great day. We will see you on the next video. I'll probably do another set video. or an unboxing. Okay, thanks. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.